Hey, my name's Zach, and if you ever see this screen at the startup of your computer, that's not a good thing. But it also isn't something that isn't fixable. Now, you do need to read and see what the problem is. Here, it looks like it's a driver issue. First thing to check is to make sure all your drivers are up to date. Now, if you just started your computer and all you see is this screen, all you have to do is put it into safe mode. In order to go to safe mode, there will be a prompt on your computer, and this changes per computer if you hit escape or F3, depending. It'll tell you right in the beginning what to hit. Also, sometimes this can happen because of a corrupted operating system. If that's happened to you, you can get a new operating system disk, or hopefully you've backed yours up. With the new operating system disk, you can get it, but it's going to cost you. You will have to pay for a new operating system. But when you got your computer, if you made a backup, you're in luck, because if you pop that backup in your disk drive, run it through, you'll have a new operating system. There's an option in there where you can actually save your files. It'll save them in a folder called windows.old. And you can access old files that you thought you might have lost on your hard drive. That's all I have to say about the blue screen of death. My name's Zach. Good luck to you.